Catfish. Back with another video, man. And today we're in Elkhart at Benz Tech, man. They've been advertising this show for I don't know how long, man. So I decided to jump an Ole Girl, man, and come on down here and see what the hype is about, man. Yep. So I'm gonna show you where we at. Man. Yeah. That's where we at, guys. We're at Benz Tech. Y'all see it? Brand new facility in Elkhart, man. Right there. So we're going to walk over here. I got here late, guys, because they're an hour ahead of me. And I'm in Indiana. They ain't in Indiana, but they're an hour ahead, man. Look at this thing right here, boy. Ew. I saw him when he pulled in. Nice SL. Thing nice. Thing beautiful. Like that. Got the windshield wipers on the headlights. Got a Porsche over here. That's nice, Boxster. Ooh, look at this. Oh my. Ew. Okay. Got his tow hook on there. This thing is beautiful. Jeez. Look at the seats, guys. You got the orange theme throughout. Got the orange on the side skirts. Got the orange on the center cap. And you got an orange spoiler. I like that. CLA 45. That's beautiful. Okay. Got the big roof on it. Yeah, this is nice, guy. He did his thing the way he want to do it. That's what you do. It's your car. You do it the way you want. I like it. Let's see what else we got. We're going to walk this way. Oh, we got to check this Sprinter out, man. We got to check this out right here. What's up, man? Got to check the Sprinter out, man.
Yep. I figured I had to represent the Sprinter.
Oh, this thing nice, guys. He gonna let us climb in here.
Go ahead, watch your step.
Oh, look at we got a bed in it too.
Got a bed that goes up and down. Bathroom, shower.
He got his bike right there.
Yep. Kitchen.
Golly, man, this is nice. I see you. Look, guys.
Little pantry.
Look, guys.
All kinds of storage right behind you up on top.
Look. Oh yeah, this is nice. Got the seats turn around.
Yep. Got your own little.
Y'all see it's a Benz, guys. There you go. They go on the steering wheel. It's a Sprinter, man.
Representing Mercedes.
This thing is nice. Thing nice, guys. Let me go around to the back. Got his little.
Got my little mobile bike shop here.
Okay. Got a bike right there. This is nice. Oh yeah, you got the bike broke down, guys,
yep.
and it's tied down, so when you drive, it won't rattle around back there.
The cool thing is, one of my kids called me the other day and said, "Hey, Dad, I need some plywood." So the bed went up.
Oh, okay.
The bike out, slid a bunch of plywood in there.
All the way through.
All the way through.
Okay. I like this.
Air conditioning, keep cool.
Oh yeah. Got it tinted out. Walk around. This thing nice, boy. Look at the wheels, guys. Got the off-road wheels on it.
Yep, some nice suspension on it.
Oh, look. Got the suspension. Come on, man. This nice.
Thank you. Got a winch on the front. Hopefully I don't have to use it.
Oh, yeah, you got a winch, guys. Got tow hooks.
It's got the 2-liter twin turbo.
Oh, it's twin turbo. Yep, there go the turbos right there, guys. See them? There they go. All right. I see you. All right, guys. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey, guys, we back. Drop in the comment section and let me know if you like that Sprinter, man. That Sprinter was nice. Got a Benz, got a Brabus. Ooh, look at the Brabus. Ew. Carbon fiber. I love these wheels. They carbon fiber, too. Look at this. Look at the exhaust. Come on, man. This boy Nat got the carbon fiber around the bottom. Got the carbon fiber high wing. Carbon fiber, even the wheel cover carbon fiber. Come on, man. Got the, bro, this boy nasty. Nasty. Look at that. Yeah. Rabbits everywhere. Even in the wheels. Rabbits upside down. That's nasty. Got a little Lotus. Porsche. R8. McLaren. There's some of everything here, guys. Got another Porsche. That boy nasty too. Got the Audi. No, Ole Girl repping. There she go. Yeah, she out here. TT. Guys, we're going to walk inside and check the facility out. I wanted to get me a shirt, man, but I didn't get no shirt. So we're going to walk in here, check the facility. That's a new facility, guys. CLK they working on. Got a little, I forgot what that little thing is. BMW. Ooh, look at this right here, though. Oh. Jeez. I don't know what year this is, but this blue with the blue, light, dark blue top. Oh, nasty. Ew, blue interior. Sheesh. Get the 5-liter in it. Beautiful. Nasty. I like that. That top is not. Only thing bad about these tops, guys, they were made out of plastic. That's plastic. That's the only bad thing about that car. This place big, man. Sheesh. Look how big this is, guys. This thing is huge. New facility, man. They been prepping this all week. All right, guys. I'll get back to you in a second. Hey, guys, let me know what you think about the facility, man. They got BMW. Like I said, there's all kinds of cars out here, man. Got a little BMW right there.
Time for another
Volkswagen. There's a lot of stuff out here, man. Got a little Porsche Boxster right there. Porsche Panamera. Got an Audi over there. GTI. Another Audi. BMW. Another GTI. A couple of them. It's a little bit, it's a few cars out here. Oh, look at this 300. Oh, look at the 300. 300E. Okay, it's clean too. Ew. 258,000 miles, guys. Thing clean too. That thing is really clean. Volkswagen. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's nice. Okay. 190E. Oh, this is a sport line, guys. Got houndstooth interior. Come on, man. This thing nice. I ain't seen one of these in person before. Yep. So the rims are 2.6, guys. Sport line. Nasty. I like this. I ain't seen one of them. It's even on the dash, man. See it? Wow. That's crazy. First time seeing one. That's good. He got the Euro lights in it too. Yep. Beautiful. All right, guys. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey, guys, we back. Look at this GTI with the biters on the front, man, because it's front wheel drive. Yeah. Come on, man. It's two of them. Yep. See them biters on the front. This one got biters on the front of his too. Oh, look at the turbo. Ooh. Okay. All right. That's cool. Got a bunch of them. Got BMW. Got another Audi. Look at this thing right here pulling up. Yes, sir. Like I said, it's a few little cars. It's a nice BMW. X-Line Sport right there. Got this BMW pulling up with a coat out. Now this is nice right here. This BMW. I don't know what model it is, but it got red guts. And you got this BMW Sport Line. Another BMW. Look. Oh boy, leaving out, man. OG in 560. Yep. Alright guys, just a little short video, man. Oh, I gotta put this Volkswagen on before I go. Yeah, it's a Volkswagen over here. I definitely gotta put it on the channel, man, before I get out of here. Sound pretty good too. Take the Volkswagen out. Sound pretty good too. Panamera just left. This thing sound good, man. That's nice. Just a little short video, man, from Benz Tech, man. I figured I'd take a little drive down here. Look how clean this is. This thing clean. Oh, look at the seats. Oh my goodness. Yeah, manual. It's nice. Volkswagen wheels. Engine compartment clean too. It sounded good too. Got the exhaust tip on it. Yes, sir. Just a little short video, a little quick walk around, man. Nothing special, man. Yep. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap this edition of Catfish Corner up from Benz Tech in Elkhart, Indiana. I hope you guys enjoy the footage, man. You know, I had fun driving down here. Alright guys, just like that, this video is over. I'll see you guys in the next one.